Understanding Integration of Funds, a Guide to Financial Unity. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and important topic in the world of finance and English language learning: integration of funds. This phrase might sound complex at first, but don't worry. We're here to break it down together, making it simple and understandable. Whether you're managing personal finances or running a business, grasping this concept can make a big difference. So, let's get started. The term, integration of funds, refers to the process of combining different sources of money or capital into a single, unified pool. This can happen in various contexts, such as within a company, a financial portfolio, or even in government budgets. The key idea here is unification. By integrating funds, individuals or organizations can streamline their financial management, reduce costs, and potentially increase their overall financial effectiveness. Integration of funds is crucial for several reasons. First, it helps in optimizing resource allocation. When all funds are in one place, it's easier to see the big picture and make informed decisions about where to allocate money for the best return. Secondly, it can lead to cost savings. Managing one pool of funds is often less expensive and less time-consuming than handling multiple separate accounts. Lastly, integrated funds can enhance financial flexibility, allowing for quicker responses to investment opportunities or financial emergencies. To better understand how integration of funds works in real life, let's look at a couple of examples. In a business setting, a company might integrate its operating, investing, and financing cash flows into a single account to streamline budgeting and financial planning. For individual investors, integrating funds might mean consolidating various bank accounts, stocks, and bonds into a unified investment portfolio managed through a single platform. These examples show how integrating funds can simplify financial management and strategic planning, whether for businesses or individuals. Achieving integration of funds involves a few key steps. 1. Assessment. Evaluate all your sources of funds to understand what you currently have. 2. Strategy development. Decide on how you want to integrate these funds. This might involve opening a unified account, using financial management software, or consulting with a financial planner. 3. Implementation. Take the necessary actions to combine your funds, such as transferring balances, closing unnecessary accounts, or investing in a unified platform. 4. Monitoring and adjusting. Regularly review your integrated funds to ensure they are meeting your financial goals, making adjustments as necessary. I hope this video has shed some light on the concept of integration of funds, and why it's a valuable strategy for managing finances more effectively. Whether you're looking to streamline your personal financial portfolio or optimize the financial operations of a business, understanding and implementing fund integration can lead to significant benefits. Remember, the key to successful financial management is always clear understanding and strategic planning. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.